In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort data in Google Sheets. Sorting is an essential skill when working with spreadsheets as it allows you to organize your information in a way that's both logical and easy to understand. Let's start by logging into your Google account. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Google homepage. Once you're there, look to the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You should see the Google Apps icon, which is a small grid of dots. Click on that icon and a menu will appear. From this menu, find and select Sheets to open Google Sheets. Once you're in Google Sheets, you'll want to create a new spreadsheet. Look for the large, colorful plus blank button. Clicking this will open a brand new blank spreadsheet for you to work with. Now that you have your new sheet open, let's take a moment to understand the purpose behind sorting. Sorting helps you arrange data in order, which can make your information much easier to analyze and understand. Whether it's alphabetically by name or numerically by score, sorting can be incredibly useful. For demonstration purposes, let's create a small table. In your new sheet, input a few names in one column, let's say column A, and some corresponding scores in the column beside it, column B. This will form a simple table that is perfect for sorting practice. Now that your data is ready, click and drag your mouse to select all the data in both columns. This means clicking on the first cell with data, holding down your mouse button, and dragging to the last cell with data. By selecting all your data, you ensure that everything stays together correctly as you sort it. Next, direct your attention to the top menu bar. There, you'll find an option labeled Data. Clicking on Data will drop down a menu. From this menu, select the option Sort Range. In the Sort Range menu that appears, you can select whether you want to sort by a specific column. Let's say you want to sort by the names in column A. Choose that column, and then decide if you'd like to sort in ascending order from A to Z or descending order from Z to A. If instead you want to sort by scores, repeat the same process but select the relevant column. For scores, you might choose to sort numerically, either from lowest to highest or highest to lowest, and that's how you quickly organize your data. By sorting your spreadsheet, you've simplified your data analysis process, making your information much easier to digest. Implementing simple sorting techniques in your Google Sheets will save you time and effort down the line, especially when managing larger sets of data. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in mastering your spreadsheet skills.